Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal with American Express Platinum step by step clearly. To start using your American Express Platinum card with PayPal, first, log into your PayPal account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the PayPal website. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section in your account dashboard. In the Wallet area, look for the option to link a new card or bank. Click on that option, and you will see a form to enter your. Now, take your American Express Platinum card and enter the card number in the designated field. Next, input the expiration date of your card. Then, enter the card security code, which is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. After filling out the information, ensure everything is correct, and click Link Card. PayPal may require additional verification for security purposes. Check your email or text messages for any verification requests from PayPal. Once your card is successfully linked, you'll receive a confirmation message. To ensure your American Express Platinum card is set as the primary payment method, return to the Wallet section. Click on your newly linked card, and choose the option to make it your primary funding source. Now you can use your American Express Platinum card to make payments through PayPal. Simply select PayPal as the payment option during online checkout at participating merchants. Your linked American Express Platinum card will be charged for the transaction amount automatically. Congratulations! You are now able to use your PayPal account with your American Express Platinum card efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.